welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. So today I'm going to be making some Drumstick Squashies Cupcakes, and they look pretty easy to make. I just picked up a packet from Tesco's, which everything will be linked in the description bar below. So yeah, let's get into baking. This is all the ingredients you will need. You'll need a cupcake tray, a mixing bowl, a wooden spoon. You can buy this cupcake kit from Tesco's, or you can buy the ingredients separately. You need milk, unsalted butter and some eggs. And then the ingredients that comes in this box is raspberry icing, vanilla powder icing and cupcake mix, which you can all buy separately if you need to anyway. So this is the ingredients you need, and you'll need some squashies, which you can buy as well. Let's get into the video. Step 1, you want to preheat the oven to 160 degrees fan assisted or 180 degrees conventionally with a gas mark of 4. Step 2, empty the cupcake mixture into a mixing bowl. Add 1 medium egg, 30 grams melted unsalted butter and 20 ml of milk. Bring the mixture together with a spoon, then beat for 3 minutes. Step 3, place the cupcake cases into the muffin tray and divide the cake mixture equally between the 6 cases. Step 4, place the cupcakes in the middle of the oven to bake for as long as 12 minutes. Step 5, while the cupcakes are baking, tip the raspberry flavour icing mix into a bowl and beat in 40 grams of softened unsalted butter, adding 1 teaspoon of cold milk in the mix. Step 6, add the icing into a piping bag. As you can see here, I'm improvising as I didn't have an icing bag. Step 7, tip the vanilla icing mix into a bowl and beat in 40 grams of softened unsalted butter, adding 1 teaspoon of cold milk into the mix. Place into a piping bag. Step 8, take the cupcakes out of the oven to cool. Please leave them to cool for around 15 minutes before decorating. Pipe the vanilla icing onto the cupcakes evenly. Pipe the raspberry icing into the centre of the cupcakes. Lastly, step 11, add your squashies and they're ready to eat. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please hit the bell so you get a reminder when my next video is, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!